I'm Brent Pattberg. I'm a veterinarian in Hernando, Mississippi. Yeah, so I grew up very active. Played high school athletics, college athletics. Then when college was over, started working as a veterinarian. I'm on my feet 14 hours a day, but still continue to be real active. Running took over. Started doing marathons and triathlons. When I was 54, I was still running, 30, 40 miles a week. And then one day I couldn't, literally. It was that dramatic. Prior to surgery, from my perspective, I was, not able to function properly. I had real limited range of motion. In my job, I have to, squat down and examine animals, things like that, and I couldn't do that as well as I wanted to. As it turns out, went to Dr. Toy, finally, and he convinced me that it was my hips. Got me on the table, did a quick little exam. Does this hurt? Yes. Okay, it's your hips, and he looked at the x-rays and saw, what he needed to see. And it was both of them. He basically said, well, you can try some anti-inflammatories for a while and come back. He said, I'll never tell you you have to have surgery. You'll tell me when you have to have surgery. And that's exactly how it happened. Took a month to try some anti-inflammatories and exercises, and I was back again, and he said, okay, well, just whenever you're ready. We got to the surgery center at 5 o'clock in the morning. I was back home by 1 o'clock, watching TV, eating, just several hours after having a total joint. Was really amazing. And, going on 2 years after the second, hip surgery, I'm 95%, to where I was. I can do everything. Just a month ago, I hiked across the Grand Canyon, in one day, 14-hour hike, 27 miles, pain-free. With my lifestyle, it was the best thing I've done. It really was. So definitely, I recommend it.